Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get good results for your renders. I use 3D SMax and coronarenderer, but which render engine or 3D software do you use? If you do these things, you will take good results. Let's start. If your renders are like these and you want to improve your render quality, you will follow these steps. First, you need good quality models and materials. In this case, you can use free stuff and you should find a good place to do this. My first place to find good stuff is CGMood. You can find lots of free stuff in there. And also, ambient CG is really cool. Let's find some. Okay, we find good models and textures. The second part is to create scene and composition. I did a very simple scene to show my workflow. And if you practice being simple, always more efficient. And the third part, let's create some materials. In my scene, walls are really important because 50% of the image is covered by walls. And in this part, I create super realistic wall material. I use Corona physical material. And the key is a bump. The bump is help us to simulate the real world, and I use Corona material library to floor and carpet. If you use these ready-to-use materials, you will check UV double maps. It should be real world scale. Okay, we solved some problems, but how can achieve this golden light? Let's look at our two renders. The right side light is more flat and artificial, but the left side lighting is more realistic and contrasty. This is the most common problem. How can we solve this? Don't use unnecessary extra lights. The key is to think simple. About what kinds of lights, we need first environmental light, after sunlight and detail lights. If you think in this order, you can achieve the best results. For environmental light, I use Corona Sky. And if you like my result, you can use these parameters. If you want to support me and want to access this 3D scene, you can join my channel. Let's render. I use Corona Light Mix to control my lights, but if you use other render engines, you can change your lighting manually. It looks good, but I want to enrich my render with tree shadows. For this, I use 3D SMax trees. In this case, you don't need perfect modeled trees, because I don't see the outside. Okay, time to post-processing. This is my favorite part. Let's getting our render more dramatic and powerful. Virtual frame buffer is suitable and easy to control settings, but you can use Photoshop or other post-production tools. Thank you for your watching. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button.